I'll get you on coming back. I'm sure she'll be behind there.
Wait, there's a car coming up. Hi, Daddy. Come on, Mom.
There they go. I don't know who likes it more, Mom or Kelsey.